Now point number 6, that is, if the statement is positive, then the tag question will be negative, or if the statement is negative, then the tag question will be positive. That means if the sentence that is given in your question is in positive form, then you have to make a tag question that will be in negative, or if the given statement is in negative form, then you have to make a tag question that will be in positive form, that is vice versa, and you should remember this very well before going through the process. Okay, number 7, that is contracted negative form of auxiliary verb will be used in terms of negative tag question. Okay, when your statement will be in positive, then you have to make a tag question in negative. So in terms of negative tag question, you have to use auxiliary verb or the contracted negative form of auxiliary verb. That is, in this example, it will be clear, the birds are flying in the sky. Here, aren't they? Because the given statements, that is, the birds are flying in the sky, it will be, this portion will be given and you have to write as it is. Then you have to put a comma. After that, you have to make a tag question. So here the sentence is in positive form, so you have to make a tag that is in negative. That's why here used aren't, are not, and here aren't and apostrophe t, that is the contracted form of are not. So answer is aren't they. Okay, now structure. If you see this part, I think your conception about tag question or your basic information of tag question will be clear to you. Here is a example. Sorry, here is an example. She is a teacher. Here the sentence is in positive form or positive, the statement is in positive. So in terms of positive statement, this kind of structure you have to follow, that is auxiliary verb plus auxiliary verb, then plus not plus subject pronoun. Okay, if you see the example, she is a teacher. Here is an auxiliary verb, so you have to use it first, is plus, according to the structure you have to write not plus she, because here subject she already is in pronoun form, so we have to use it as it is. Here she is not she, and at the last of this question, because it's a question, so you have to put a question mark or interrogation sign. So is not she, isn't she? But this is not right. The right thing is isn't she. Here is an apostrophe t, it is the contracted form of is not. So the answer will be isn't she. If the statement is in negative form, maybe she is not a teacher, she is not a teacher, then the answer will be is she. So the structure will be auxiliary verb plus subject plus question mark. You don't need to write not here, you just have to write first auxiliary verb, then a subject pronoun of the given statement, that is here she, and at the last you have to put a question mark. Okay, that's all about tag question in my today's class. If you have any queries, then please ask me, and inshallah we will meet you in another class of the second part of tag question. Thanks all of you.